Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So pretty messy on the 8 hour. You can see we sort of all over the place. Bit of a range bar that going into the close. Buyers did come in off the gap. I don't like the fact that we've got a tail closing the gap, and that always indicates another move to the downside coming. And then the other thing is we are sort of at this stage just popping through the trend line and after hours, so not going to read too much into that, but this trend line is pretty important, and there is the bottom of that channel. So that is a consolidation, so you're looking for a move up and a pullback, and that's going to give us a pretty decent area to buy into for a move, at least to come and close the top gap and possibly test the previous highs for the year. So just remember normal price action. You see tails are more than often what forms on a bar, especially coming into the close of a bar. And remember, we're coming up to the close of the yearly bar, so you could very well see a move up and then a bit of a pullback, or you could just see us just sort of going sideways, which gives us a tail on the yearly bar. So just keep that in the back of your mind. So let's just move down through the time frame. So looking at the 3 hour, nothing really here. We had range bar, pin bar, then a big exhaustion bar up to a level, and then we went sideways. So a little bit of opportunity there, but it's still extremely volatile. Does look like we are looking to move higher again, and oscillators all over the place on the hour. We've got a crossover on the hour, and we are above the 155 EMA. So as far as I'm concerned, the trend does look like it is starting to reverse. It's been down, been very volatile for a couple of days. We've got a low, lower low, higher low, so kind of a rounding bottom. And the next line in the sand, to be quite honest, that's when we have to use a different level, is this high from Friday. So once we're above that, and you can see we did test it yesterday, once we're above it and find some support there, that builds structure for the next leg up, and that should be basically something along the lines of this, 1,000 points to the upside, and around 4,700 should be our next level, and if I'm correct, it's the gap close. Okay, so that's kind of what we're playing for, looking for structure, and then we're looking for a move up to this gap close. So the nice thing about this is if we get a move above and a retest, you can manage to get in there. You've got a 300 point stop loss for a 1,000 point gain, basically. So that's kind of the play that I have on the S&P 500. And of everything that I am watching, I think this is the one that makes the most sense, and probably a higher probability trade at the end of the day. So just going to wait for some structure here, and then looking for the opportunity to jump in and ride it up for a good 1,000 points going into the end of the year. So that's kind of my plan for today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.